Hello and welcome everyone to the channel. Today I have Woozoo. It's a tabletop fan. Now that the summer has arrived, even though we all have centralized AC, we have our HVAC system functioning, but still there will be some dead spots, and there will be situations where you need a small table fan which is efficient, at the same time quiet and reliable. So this one actually meets that. I liked it when I used it, because this is not the first one I got. I got a couple more, so I tried all of those. It was super quiet, very quiet. It covers a pretty big room, even with all the swale and up and down feature and all of those things. It works awesome. Let's try opening it. Alright, the packing, not the greatest, but it's tight. It's tight, so during transit and stuff like that, nothing's going to happen to this. It's not going to move. So it's pretty sturdy. Yes, it does come with instruction manual. I'm going to keep this here. We'll also go through what's written in here after this. Alright, so yeah, I'm not gonna go through the manual right now. If you ever get it, feel free to go through this. I'm gonna keep this aside. Alright, here it comes. This one, it's gone. Alright. Plastic. It feels plasticky. It's made of plastic on the outside, so definitely it does feel like it. It comes with a remote. This is one thing I did not like. I did not feel like it's very efficient whenever I want to use it. It's very small. It looks cheap, but to turn it on, to turn it off, to set the timer, it says it has all those features, but I did not enjoy it. It has like a keyhole stuff, so you can actually like put it in your keychain or something like that if you have one. So that is definitely a neat feature that you can use, so feel free to use that. It is a circulator fan, 120 watts and 60 hertz. So that is what's written there. It has all the features right down here. I'm going to plug it in. It's plugged in. When it's plugged in, honestly, nothing happens. It's all plugged in. If something has to happen, you definitely need to press the power button. Generally, there is an indicator that it is plugged in. There is no indication whatsoever whether it's plugged in or not. As soon as you press the power button, you will see the blue light come up, which is fan speed 1, and then you can increase the fan speed here up to 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then again you press once more, it goes back to 1. Alright, and then you have the timer, 1, 2 and 4. So I think it's 1 hour, 2 hour and 4 hour is going to turn off. Then it has the airflow thing, it is the ventilation. Then it has the circulation mode. It's going to circulate up and down. This is another thing I did not like very much, because if I have to fix it there, I have to press it twice. It makes it a little inconvenient to press it twice and have it fixed in a position. That's a little hard, but other than that, everything else is. See, if I have to fix it in there, I have to like click twice. So if you accidentally click more than once, and you're gonna have trouble setting it back. So you cannot actually do that. Like, you're gonna break it. So the remote Comes in a packet, it's more plastic covered. Get rid of it. And folks who try to use it after buying it because you think there's a battery in it, don't do it. Just pull this tab out first. That protects the battery, and now this should work. I turned it on. I'm taking off from the ventilation mode. Now it is the fan mode, and the circulation up stays there. Yeah, it's kind of, you need to learn. There's not a whole bunch of stuff in it. There's only fan speed and circulation and timer. The only problem is like just getting used to. I mean, especially because it's like really teeny remote. It's very small. It's very easy to get lost. Alright, so it's stuck like that. Now I want to go up and down. Alright. So good thing on here, it has two buttons for up and down and left and right. So you can basically use that to set it where you want it. Like if you want it to set it like this, press once on the same button, it stays like that. If you want to articulate this to the left, press the left and right button once. I need it there. There you go. So that is how it works. So yeah, remote is not as bad as I felt it at first when I used it. Now that I use it, I think it's useful. Don't lose it. You will need it at some point. It's very easy to lose this thing. So put in a key ring and hang it somewhere, or key ring, and wherever you want to keep it. So that's where they have provided a key ring hole. So that is basically it. I don't have like a detailed review saying how strong the wind is, the blower is. For me, it is pretty strong. It's pretty strong. From this heavy book, yeah, it is pretty strong when it's in maximum. I'm going to reduce it. I hope you can see it. It's not really light, it's the instruction manual. So if it can like push the instruction manual away, it's pretty strong, but it is not loud. It is quiet. So quietness is something we all need, especially when you're using a table fan. Previously, the fans I had was like loud. I don't like the loud fans. I hate to use it, but this one is quiet enough for me to use it in any setting. So there we go. That is the review of Woozoo Globe Fan. So it says Woozoo Globe Fan. It's known as a globe fan because of the shape of the globe. What else is it? It says it has 5-year warranty. I don't know. I'm too bad in claiming warranties, so good luck with that to me. So inspired by Japanese word of vortex, the powerful yet compact Woozoo offers all the airflow you need. Alright, where is this thing? And it says, is it anywhere? Alright, here it says it's 82 feet. So it can blow up to 82 feet, so 25 meters or 82 feet. That is pretty large size room. My room, if I keep it on the far end of this room, I still will have plenty of air. That is what they say. I don't think that is right, because I tried it in a 24-foot room. It does blow, but it's not as strong. It's okay. I mean, if you're using it the whole day or you leave it there, then it's definitely gonna get to that point. But other than that, oscillation, 3 timer settings, natural breeze. That is the setting. I didn't read it. It's natural breeze. You see how that works. So when you have natural breeze, you have the fan working very low, zero noise. Even with the regular breeze, it was still not loud for me. I don't consider this loud. I know you can hear the sound. For me, I don't consider this loud, because you should have heard the other fans that I've used. those things are super loud. So compared to that, this is definitely not loud. Other than that, you are in natural breeze. It's not very strong air coming out, but it's still blowing. If you use this, it's going to do nothing to this. But if you use like a small wrapper or something like that, then it's, I don't have it, I think it's right away. Alright, so it's blowing. It is blowing. What else it says? Okay, it's made by the company Iris USA Inc. The site is irisusainc.com. They have a Iris USA customer care number, which is good. You have an address in Arizona. You have a US customer care phone number. I like that part. Okay, so those looks good. It is made in China. Definitely, yeah, it is made in China. That's what I was looking for. It is inspired by Japanese word of vortex, which is Woozoo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or I'm killing it, but it is made in China. It's just inspired by Japanese vortex Woozoo. Alright, so that's about it. I hope you liked it or you enjoyed it. If you are in the market for buying this, yes, we got it from, we actually got it from Sam's Club, I believe. I forgot actually, because I use BJ, Sam's Club and Costco, so I'm not exactly sure where I got it, because this has been sitting in my home for quite a long time now. Because this one I kept it aside, the others we started using in different rooms, and I forgot where I got it from, because I go to all three stores frequently. But definitely one of those is where we got it from. I can actually leave a note in the description saying where I got it from, if that helps. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments or feedback, please feel free to let me know. Use the like button or dislike button if you don't like it. Provide your valuable comments. I'd like to hear from you. Let me know how the result is, if you got one, if you like it, and all of those things. And also I do have a Facebook page known as NomadTech, and also have an Instagram for NomadTech. Please feel free to follow those pages for more updates, and also please click subscribe, ring the bell, so you get more notifications when I come up with new videos. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Take care and bye-bye.